What do you think, Jeannie? Are you being tortured? Hi, sweet girl. Look at your neck. Oh, yeah. Stretch out. I was asking her, how much space are you going to take up in the world today? Because she does that all the time. Is that funny? Yeah? Tell me all about it. Oh, no. How is her neck?
Same spot.
One side?
On the right side. Is that why you're not sleeping?
I'm hoping that's why.
Is that it? Wow.
You don't like that? You're going to get it all better, okay?
How about, can we go on your tummy? Let's do tummies.
Oh, she sleeps on her belly, so she's fine. Spinny baby. Spinny baby.
And good.
No, she's fine.
You gonna eat that? Eat the pillow?
Probably.
What do you think, Jeannie?
How are her hips?
Not bad. A little stuck on her left side, but mostly it's just this up here.
Are you being tortured, Jeannie Grace?
You look so miserable. Oh, it's not that bad.
No, she's fine.
It's not that bad, little lady. You got some muscles on you, girl. Let's see ya. Let's see ya. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, that's a grip, huh? Turn that way. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You good?
She's happy.
All right. You are good to go, my girl.
Okay.